To Spain. Hush.
Jojo Car is back with another video, man, and today we fucking with the lights again. We about to do the front of these lights. I don't know if y'all remember how I did it last time with all those triangles and stuff on the thing. I'm gonna do the same thing. I really want to bring that look back. I really love that look, and it brought a lot of attention. I really want that attention back, so that's what I'm gonna do. Boom. And I might take off this grill in this video, so I guess we could do how to take off a front grill too. Yeah, I'm starting on my phone, but yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the DJI in a second. Honestly, it's just charging right now, bro. We just came from a car meet, so it's dead. So before, like, now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have not been posting because I've been crazy busy. Okay, like, yeah, I don't think y'all understand. I've been trying to get a lot of like things done, and I've been doing a lot of things. So I've just been busy, bro. Like, I'm even, like, y'all see, I'm not even paying attention, but like, I'm just like always doing something, and a lot of people are hitting me up now. Now it's getting warm. I'm getting a lot of people hitting me up, and a lot of things are happening, a lot of things going on. So basically that is being charged. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I will be posting just whenever I get time. Sometimes I'll be lying to y'all on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to get consistent and stay consistent on the ball on posting, but honestly, I lose track of time, and sometimes I just don't want to post at like 10 o'clock. I feel like my views have been doing bad because I've been posting so late, so I kind of don't know what to do with that, because it's just because that's what time, like, I could get them out, because like I'll be getting home from work at like 6, and then do a lot of stuff, and then like then it's like 8 o'clock. I'm editing, and it takes probably like an hour to download and then an hour to post. So that's why I just don't want to, like, sometimes I'm like, all right, it's too late to post. I'll just save it. And yeah, but that's why. So that's my bad. But I'm gonna try to stay on the ball, but definitely still have more content for you guys, and a lot more content to come. I try to stay consistent on all platforms: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And I'm pretty decent. I'm doing decent, but it's also a lot to handle. But also follow, follow and like my page on Facebook. I just made that, and it's been doing decent. So if y'all mess with the channel and all that, mess with that. But we're gonna start this video. I don't want this to be too long. This is already about to be like a 10-minute video because I talk so long. But sheesh, let's get it done. Alright, y'all, I've been charging my camera, so I look with ham on one side. I'm gonna turn the light off. Hold on, y'all. Boom. Honestly, they're gonna look better in the light, but I went ham on one side. I literally made a TikTok video on it and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it out in the light after, and then do everything that I do. I might have to redo some shit, and but we'll see. I'm gonna also try to like heat them up, and so that they stick better and stuff. Like, you guys can't really see them. When I open up the garage again, it should be able to like be way better to see and stuff. But I'm gonna actually show this process on this side. So I already put something there. I don't know if I can see that, but yeah, y'all will peep everything after it's all said and done. It's not really a hard process. It's just literally just sticking things, and I might take my grill off lastly. So because I might just still drive around and go take pictures, and then take out my grill and take it to work. So we'll see. So I'm gonna take my grill and I'm gonna take something else and see what the freak I could do. So I'm gonna start this side and we'll be right back. Perfect. So I'm done. I'm about to go do something real quick, but I am done. I got them in. I don't like this side, but it's gonna have to do for now. I'm gonna show you guys it in the light and everything, and I'm gonna open up the garage. I have to go to my house real quick, so give me 1 second. My freaking camera is full, so yeah. So I'm gonna open up the garage in a second, and I'm about to go do something, and I'll start up the car and show it coming outside and shit. Well, not coming outside, but just show it outside and whatnot. So hold on.